Hi there, folks. So what I want to do here now is I want to give you an example about how your calculator looks. Now, what you see on screen here is your calculator. This is the digital program of it. It looks different than the calculator that you guys have. In fact, let me just than this calculator, but everyone should have one of these. If you do not, email me and I will make sure that you get one. You'll have to pick it up in your nearest location, but I'll make sure you get one. So how do you use it? How do you use this calculator? It's a really nifty thing. It saves you a lot of effort. It does a lot of the math for you. There's a reason I like it. All I ask is you return them at the end of the class. So all you have to do to be able to use this calculator is there's a couple things. We're going to use a little bit more. Like we'll use the second function. We'll use these things a little bit more. But right now, for basic calculations, obviously, you have your multiplication, division, plus, minus. But this is the button here, this change button. This is the same location on yours, where that's really the important bit. That's what this video is about. So I'm going to use decimals, fractions, and simplification here to show you the power of this. So for example, if I give you 1.75 and I ask you, turn this into a fraction, change will do that. So equal it out. Oh, it's 1.75 is this, is 1 3/4. Or maybe you're just doing something. Maybe I'm just asking you to you end up with this as an answer, 1 3/4. Most people's heads usually work better with decimals than fractions. I like fractions, not everyone likes it. So you can convert them, you can change them. So I can go from 1.75 to 1 3/4. This is the same thing. Or 7/4. Those are all the same thing. So it's changing the way that number's displayed, but those all mean the same. If I were to convert that into dollars, you're still getting $1.75, no matter which one of these it is. So that's how you do it for this one. So try it out yourself here. Try 2.08. Pause the video right now. So for 2.08, same thing. 2.08, press equals. Oh, it's 2 2/25, or it's 52 over 25, or it's 2.08. So it's all the same thing. 10.2 as well. Same thing, 10 and a fifth. It can simplify and put it into we call this a mixed fraction. It has a whole number and a fraction. We call this an improper fraction, where there's more on the top than the bottom. And we call this just a decimal. So you can do the same thing though with fractions. If I give you a fraction, now this button here is going to be really helpful. Technically, this is saying 7 divided by 8, right? But most people's heads with fractions, they work better when they see it up and down. That's what this button here is for, A/B, same spot on yours. It should be above your 8th key. So I can press the fraction key. I can go 7. I can use my arrow keys and do that. Cool. I equal that out. Okay, here's the fraction, and same thing. It can simplify it for you. Now, the big thing here, though, that I really want you to do is, what happens if I take this 7 or 8 and I say, let's add 2.5 to it, right? Well, fraction 7, arrow key 8, and plus 2.5. Do you see the mistake that's been made here? You have to use your arrow keys to get stuff in the right spot. So let's actually try it out now properly. So 7 over 8, arrow key, move it to its fresh spot, plus 2.5. So using your arrow keys and this fraction button is very important to make sure you're inputting stuff incorrectly. And same thing, your change button can do a lot of the work for you here. If I go to the simplify part here, same thing. A lot of people really struggle with simplifying. That's fine. Your calculator can do it for you. So 8 over 12 equals 2/3. It will simplify it the furthest it possibly can for you. Let's give you let's say 2.7 over I don't know, 4.2. See how the calculator does with that? So 2.7 over 4.2. Again, guys, it will simplify this stuff for you as best as it can. So there's no reason you shouldn't be able to simplify your answers. I've given you a tool for free that does it for you. Learning how to use your calculator is going to be vital to your success in this course. So please make sure that you do. You should be able to tackle anything. And if you don't know how to do it or you forget, ask. Again, literally my job. We'll do more calculator stuff here in the future. There'll be another video once we get to, I think it's topic 3, sounds about right, or topic 4. But yeah, with that, I will end this video.